How to combine Bitmojis on Snapchat. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Play Store, search for Snapchat. Now make sure to update to the latest version and click on open. Now go to the chat section. Now open up any chat. Now tap on the profile. As you can see, there are two Bitmojis. Now go back. Now type any message. Now click on Bitmojis. So here you can find Bitmojis combined. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or such a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.